too early for this. So, turns out that my computer is slightly outdated to edit these vlogs, and we need to go buy new RAM today. So, I actually figured out... What is this? That was like weirdly close to my car still not unlocked. Okay, found out my RAM is actually super outdated, and so we're going to buy more. But I don't really know much about video editing, so it's very exciting. Oh my goodness! Look, he just pulled in! Hi, babe.
Don't vlog while you're driving.
I'm not! Hey, you want to go to Micro Center?
No.
Please? Like I was saying, RAM is super outdated actually, but I know nothing about video editing. Why are my windshield wipers on? So I just realized I took like a lot of slow motion video when I got out of Micro Center by accident, but the good news is I got home in time. I was supposed to get home at 4. It's currently 3:58, and I have to go change in 2 minutes. That was none of that was recording. None of that was recording. That's okay. Anyway, this is Chris. We climbed together. He's great. Question for you.
Oh yeah.
I do magic tricks. Yes. And I really, you're just great. Do you wanna see one?
I do.
Okay. This one's really easy for you. Okay. All you gotta do is hold onto this tab and not let go.
I can do that.
Right. And the goal of this is to flip sides right now. So you're looking at a blank side. The other side is my business card. It has info on it. Right.
Yes.
So the goal is to flip this side so you're looking at the business card. Right.
How could it be done?
It's kind of difficult when you're holding on, right? So just don't let go, and it's magic, right? It works like this. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Did you see it happen? That's good. It hasn't happened yet. It takes a snap like that, right? And then when you open it,
Oh, I love it.
awesome. Thank you.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have you been practicing magic for a while?
I've been doing magic for about 15 years, so.
Chris, I really appreciate that, man.
Of course.
Not too many people give me things.
Okay.
I usually am giving people things.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Of course. Hey, have a good one.
Good evening.
Thank you guys very much.
Have a good one. Content, vlog content. Woo, woo.
You probably shouldn't say the words vlog content in your vlog content.
Vlog content. Bye, Chris. Bye, Melissa. Thanks for the ride back. Now, after first dinner, we got to make second dinner, and then also install RAM and go to this party and shower because I still smell terrible and in my climbing clothes.
You remember you were like, hey Jared, say hi to the vlog. I was like, hi.
This is still Jared, my other roommate.
Still Jared.
We need a pot for pasta and a lot of things. Well, we are making dinner, but we forgot to preheat the oven, so it's time to install some RAM. Woo! Riveting. We did it correctly. Right! Okay. Alright, I'm out. I gotta go to a pajama party. I'll catch you guys later.